Look at this. These are actually flowers. The moment I wake up, this is the beautiful scenery that unfolds before my eyes. Oh, beautiful. So you are not going to believe what just happened. Uh, Look at this. It started snowing. Back on the road, are we? Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another video where we are going to explore Kumrat Valley. We started our trip from Peshawar via M1 motorway and took the Swat Chakdara exit, where I had the opportunity to take a beautiful drone shot and check out their newly built enRoute. We are here on Swat Motorway. There is this a place called Kayamataan. In other words, a place where you can stay, like enRoute. Apparently, it's really, really, really beautiful. I wanted to show you this. As you can see, they have the mosque. The parking looks amazing, amazing. My friends over there, as you can see, they're there just chilling. You got some Swat cuisine. You got some Rahat bakers. They build it pretty nicely. I'm not gonna lie, it's really amazing. Look at those beautiful mountains, and look at this. These are actually flowers. How beautiful! Just look at that. And then of course you got one on the other side as well. So right now we decided to stay here. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna pray, and then we're gonna go on our route to Kumrat Valley. We are now in Chakdara. That's basically we bypassed. We went through Swat. And now here we are on Chakdara. We made a quick stop because we just wanted to have a little bit of tea and something to eat. Turns out the previous stop, as beautiful as it was, didn't have anything to eat. That was disappointing. So that's why we had to move forward, and then we came to this Rahman Hotel in Chakdara. We just ate, and now we are on our way. So I just wanted to show you and give you updates in case if you ever get lost. This is the way. So if you see this, you're on the right path. From Chakdara, we continued our journey via Dir Road for about 160 kilometers, which then turned into Kumrat Road. We had to stay in between for prayers and, enjoy the journey along the way, but we eventually made it to Kumrat Valley at 2:30 a.m. The moment I wake up, this is the beautiful scenery that unfolds before my eyes. It does not get any better than this, honestly. We just discovered that we are literally the last people. It's raining heavily, so I have to hurry up. But we just discovered that we're literally the last people in here currently because it's off season, and this is the last hotel that is open. They're closing tonight as well. We just woke up, and I'm already loving it. We have yet to explore the entire Kumrat Valley. Takes about 6 to 7 hours, but we have a jeep as usual, and we're gonna go through it like a breeze. But for now, I wanted to show you something. You could probably hear the voices as well. Oh boy, it's raining heavy, but oh, beautiful. Just look at how clear this water is. Just look at that. Oh my God, look at that. It does not get any more beautiful than this, to be honest. Just keeps on going, going, going. And of course, so if you get these rooms, they're a little bit more expensive, but then guess what? You have a balcony to the outside that you can sit and enjoy the weather, right? That's kind of beautiful part about this. Sometimes you can explain certain situations and other times you just can't because you have to be here to feel it. So this is what it is. I wanted to show you that you have to be here in order to experience this beautiful view. But besides that, in here, Kumrat Valley, as you can see, they're cutting the wood. This wood is apparently really, 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 really expensive. As you can see, they've cut quite a lot here as well. They don't allow any other people to cut it. It's just the locals only. It's their business. But yeah, so now we're gonna go back to our rooms. I'll talk more about the hotel, the place, the whatchamacallit, all of that good stuff. So, for starters, I know a lot of people will want to know how did we get here? So, if you are coming from Peshawar, you would take M1 motorway. Then from there, from Peshawar, we decided to take the Swat Motorway. And then from Swat Motorway, we went straight on to Chakdara. Now, why? Because there's two ways to go there. There's the one Kalam, another one is Chakdara. The reason we didn't take Kalam because apparently there's been floods and that road is not easy, especially for a car like that, as you can see. So we didn't take that road. We decided to take the safety road. But then the problem with that one was we went through Chakdara. We were like, yeah, that's going to be fine road. Then from Chakdara, we went to Timargara. And then from Timargara, we just kept on going straight. There's like a big board that says Kumrat. And then you get to an intersection that says Babi Kumrat. There's one left that goes down and one up. You have to take the left, right? Don't go up, because if you go up, you are not gonna go there. That's the mistake we made. We went like 7-8 kilometers beyond our point. So then we returned and we went through Kumrat, and we are here at Kumrat Valley. We reached here I think like 2 o'clock. Initially, our initial reaction was when we reached there, everything was closed. We were like, what? Why? Sorry, I have to stop. I want to show you something. Look at that. Don't see that quite often, but amazing. All right, continue. Okay, so then what it was, we realized at nighttime, wait a minute, we actually can't find a hotel. There was this was the only hotel that was open. And they told us don't go above this location because nothing is open. We're like, nah, we're gonna go explore. 12 o'clock we went there. It was at 2 that we realized we are not getting anywhere because we crossed literally 2 jungles and there was nothing. So then we were like, okay, we need to come back. Then we came back. It was like 2:30. They were nice enough, really, really nice enough. Shout out to the manager. At 2:30 a.m., he prepared a meal for us. Chicken karahi, amazing, with 4 cups of tea. And we enjoyed it. We slept around 4. Now it's currently 10. We woke up at 9, 10, just getting ready. I'm ready, but my friends are getting ready. And then we're going to have breakfast. And we're going to go and explore. In that time, I want to show you, as you can see, there is another hotel there as well. Right there. But currently, everything is closed. It's off season, and it's October 14th, I believe. So, yeah. Wow, look at that mountain. That has to be the most amazing thing ever. Zoom in, of course. Yes, look at that. And then we zoom back out. So, it's been a really, really wonderful location, really peaceful location. You're just literally mountains all around you, trees, the river flowing, everything as natural as it gets. As you can see, these guys are packing up. Right? They have already packed up most of the things, literally. But this is just their last day. Most of the employees are leaving today, like in an hour or so. But the manager is staying behind. We're going to go explore places and then come back. And then we're going to leave as well. It's an 8. They say it's an 8 hours drive, Google Maps, right? But again, Google Maps can get here and they can update real time as well. So the thing is, it's give yourself a good 10 hours, 10 to 11 hours if you're coming from Peshawar. Mind you, if you want to stay and do things right. So that's the thing. We left from there around 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. and we reached here at 12. So a pretty good 11 to 12 hours. Alrighty, so we made our first stop at the locals here. They call it Sabi Mai. That's the location. But holy, I don't know. Oh man, I cannot explain the scenery. Just look at this. Holy, this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing going all across. And look at that shot. So this is first of the many places. I'm gonna get closer to the water as well. But before I do that, I just wanted to show you a full shot. Those are huts. So as you can see, you can actually stay in there overnight. We wanted to stay there, but apparently there was a family and they took over the entire thing. So we really couldn't. It was really a group. Look at that. Holy crap. And we are actually gonna go down there. The beautiful things you just wanna really see through the lenses. I'm gonna go closer to the water so I can show you what it actually looks like. A lot of people have brought their families as well. As long as you have a really good car, you can definitely bring a family. That's possible as long as you have a good car. If you don't risk it. There is no need for you to risk it. So you are not going to believe what just happened. Look at this. It started snowing.